Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your April general overview. Let's see what the month of April is going to bring for you, Libra. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear to have the most wonderful month of April 2021. Thank you. So Libra, welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Very grateful to you. And if you're new here, we welcome you too. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. And yes, if any of you are looking for a private reading, Libra, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. So Libra, right now, the core issue that you're going through is either somebody walked away from you or somebody is walking away from you. And that's on your mind. Okay, so I'm going to keep this card here as a secret message. I did get a peep though. I forgot. Anyways, so 10 of Wands is your underlying energy. Something is becoming too much of a burden to carry. Maybe you're feeling very emotionally overwhelmed right now. Too many responsibilities or too much pressure on you. Maybe it's regarding this walking away. Either somebody walked away from you, Libra, or you are on your way walking away from something which was not emotionally very happy for you. In the past, I see there was a tower moment which was like a shock to your system. Whatever news or whatever thing happened kind of blew things apart, and right now the energy that you're in is the Eight of Cups. Let's see why is Libra in the... before I start clarifying these cards, Libra, I am going to take a Ganesha blessing card for you to see how Lord Ganesha is going to bless the beautiful month of April for you. So Lord Ganesha, what blessing do you have for my Libra gang? Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message? Prosperity. All right, that's a beautiful card to get. And prosperity doesn't always mean prosperity in money. Right? So I'm going to just read a few lines out of the book. Let's see what special message there is from Lord Ganesha to you. 45 is 78. 78. Prosperity. You have the ability to manifest prosperity into your daily life. Ganesha asks you to work on integrating and accepting the spiritual truth that you create your own reality. Try understanding this. This makes all the difference when it comes to prosperity. You are responsible for creating and generating your success. It is your divine right to do so. A job in itself does not bring you riches. Abundance is more than a job or having money. Isn't that just what I said? It is an attitude. It's about living with appreciation and gratitude daily for all the blessings that have been bestowed in your life. It's easy to forget or neglect the gifts that you receive day after day from the universe, the divine, the source, the creator. One of your promised gifts is your divine ability to generate the success you want in life by using your spiritual talents. These are abilities that are innate within you. You're born with them. This can include writing, speaking, creative expression, or business ability. Utilize your gifts. You are being given an opportunity to notice and develop them and begin offering them to the world. You might like to start writing a prosperity journal. Call on Ganesha to work with you on this. Imagine what would be the perfect day for you and describe it in great detail in your journal. Involve all your senses to make it as real as possible. See, hear, feel, smell, taste, and touch this experience in your mind and heart and help bring it to fruition. This is an abundance card. Ganesha is reminding you that you have everything you need now. It's time to claim your abundance. Okay, so whatever you're going through, Libra, whether it's within money or love or health, you have to start visualizing the perfect scenario for yourself, because you have a gift to bring your life into reality the way you want it. Okay, so keep this card in mind, keep these wordings in mind all through April and forever, I would say. It's a beautiful message. So now let's get on with your reading and see what's going on here. So current energy is the 8 of Cups, Libra. Why is that? One more. Current energy, 8 of Cups. Either somebody walked away from you, Libra, and you want them to return. This could be you, this could be your cross watcher, I don't know. But this person is very abundant, very single, very beautiful. And somebody is at crossroads here, not understanding how to move towards, I don't know, somebody is walking away. There's a lot of confusion here. There's a lot of confusion here. Look at this. 8 of Cups, leaving. 8 of Cups, returning. So either somebody walked away from you and you want them to return. You see them as the perfect, abundant person. Somewhere you are trying to make some kind of a decision which you're not being able to make right now. You're standing at crossroads as to how to move towards whatever your goal is. Okay, this could be the 9 of Pentacles. Sometimes is a money card. This could be the love partnership. I don't know, but there is a lot of planning going on as to how to move towards maybe bringing something back which has walked away from your life. This could be bad health. You're trying to recover from that, or this could be financial loss that you're trying to wonder how to bring it back into your life. Okay. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, with the Tower energy? What happened in the recent past? What was this Tower moment? What was the Tower moment for Libra in the recent past? Tower, recent past. There were some secrets that were being kept, and maybe had no faith that things would go a certain way, which probably led to a lot of conflict here. Maybe there was no offer given or no commitment given, or maybe somebody just kind of didn't have faith that things can be better. There was a lot of emotional distress from what I see, from whatever conflict that happened here, which turned into a Tower moment. So this is what you're coming out of. So don't worry about this energy. This is past energy. But right now, I see somebody here at crossroads wondering how to bring back something which they've lost. Right? But I do see in the month of April, balance is getting restored. There is a 6 of Pentacles here. So equal give and take. What you put out is what you're going to get. Right? So this is a card of balance coming back into your life. Let's see what this is. What's the 6 of Pentacles, Spirit, for April, for Libra? 6 of Pentacles. 6 of Pentacles for Libra. Reunion. Somebody is looking for a reunion, or maybe it's coming, Libra, because I do see a 6 of Pentacles, which is balance, equal give and take, good partnership, and a reunion or some kind of celebration about some good news. This could be if you're in a job and the amount of work you're putting in, you're going to be getting that much back and it's going to make you happy. Or if you've lost a partner, or you've had a health problem, let's say, you're going to be getting good news that if you have been getting treatment, your treatment is working. So let's see. 6 of Pentacles coming up in April. What can Libra expect, Spirit? One more. Coming up in April, Spirit. Yes, there is a lot of You are being guided in the right direction, Libra. I can assure you that, even though sometimes you may feel that you feeling a bit of lack, but Spirit is telling you that all your wishes will come true. What you're doing is you're concentrating too much, even in April, as you concentrating too much on the stuff that went wrong in your life. There's a lot of regret, there's a lot of sorrow. Spirit is saying this is just a temporary hurdle. It's just very, very temporary stagnation. You are moving into the King of Pentacles energy very, very soon. This is stability, this is growth, this is money, this is abundance. Not only can you look after yourself, but you can look after everyone around you as well. I mean, that's normally the Queen of Pentacles, but the King of Pentacles is like that equal partner. This is a person who is very, very stable. So stability is coming after maybe a certain kind of a stoppage or a hindrance. But I think your faith and your wishes, I mean, this card is upright. You are being directed, your wishes will come true. Yes, just be a little mindful, Libra. Like Lord Ganesha said, keep only positive thoughts and journal all your blessings. Okay, I think that's going to be really important, because I see in April you are kind of going back and forth into this, of everything that didn't work out in the past, or whatever hindrances you've had in the past. So leave that alone now. This is your guidance, even from Lord Ganesha. Don't think about what hasn't happened for you. Start counting your blessings every second, every minute. Okay, that's what's going to make that. This is a healing card. The star is a card which helps you heal, tells you that, whatever area in your life that you're suffering, healing is being restored here. Okay, so what should you hold on to? Three of Pentacles. Why should Libra hold on to the Three of Pentacles, Spirit? This is what you are holding on to, Libra. If you have been not consistent and moving from one person to another in search of something, Spirit is saying you have to now look within. You have to look within, because we've given you all that power. You are intuitive, you are, you are love in yourself. You don't have to flit from person to person. Let's say this is a medical problem and you're going doctor to doctor to doctor. You're not going to end up anywhere, right? You have the intuitive ability to heal yourself with your spirituality. Yes, I'm not saying don't go to the doctor, but don't get misguided by taking too many opinions. And let's say this is in your personal life. Maybe you're not, you're being a bit of a player, right? Because you don't believe that you can find the person who will love you forever. So Spirit is saying, don't hold on to this, please. You're holding on to this very tight because maybe you don't believe that things can get better for you. Little bit of immature energy and a little bit of insecurity, and that's what I see. So that's what you're still holding on to, not believing that the power lies within you to change your life. Okay? So what should Libra let go of? Libra, let go of being in no man's land here. Always being indecisive. Should I go left? Should I go right? And what happens is, in all that choice, you end up going nowhere. Two of Wands, Spirit. Two of Wands. Why should Libra let go of that? It's time to make up your mind, Libra. That's what I feel. Two of Wands. Two of Wands. Two of Wands. Yes, it's time to finish that old chapter of your life, Libra, where you've always been indecisive. Yes, always being, overthinking, overstressing, because this is not going to get you to the place that you can get to within by yourself. All you have to do is open your eyes, remove that blindfold. All these swords that are placed around you are around you. You have a clean path ahead of you. All you have to do is take that one bold step in the right direction. This is like you're just waiting around doing nothing. It's time to end this old chapter of indecision. Make up your mind, Get out of your head. You need to let this go, Libra, and be positive. Believe that you can achieve anything that you set your heart and mind to. So what's going to be the biggest blockage, Spirit? What's going to be the biggest blockage for Libra now in April? Biggest blockage for Libra? Not being able to make a choice again, Libra. I think concentrating too much on money, on finances, and yes, it's going to become a blockage if you continue to do that. This Wheel of Fortune is getting a bit stuck, Libra, because again you're indecisive. Okay, any indecision is going to lead you to stagnation. It's going to put a spoke in that Wheel of Fortune, and things can get stuck. So Spirit is saying, instead of concentrating on just wealth and material items, be the Empress. The Empress embodies love. Empress doesn't go out and get a job. They sit there and they attract all good things to come to them. Okay, this is abundance, this is growth, this is fertility, that's good health, there's wealth, everything. An Empress is the one card which Spirit is saying you have to embody in April. Believe that you can attract everything good in your life. Okay, like Sir Lord Ganesha also said, we're giving you prosperity, but prosperity is not just money. It's abundance. Abundance of health, wealth, happiness. Okay? Let's see how people see my Libra. People see my Libra as always happy. The Sun, always smiling, always laughing. Yes, they also know that you are being a little, you're lying a little bit, Libra. You are not telling the truth. You're emotionally manipulating the situation, in the sense you may not be feeling this happy, but you're trying to prove that you are. And people see right through it. Okay? Why do people see Libra as the King of Cups and the Sun energy? Why do people see Libra? One more. Libra, they see you healing in the month of April. They see you trying to get out. Yes, that's a very good sign. You are trying with, you are very clear on your objectives now, what you want, what you don't want. If you've been in lack for a very long time, they do see you trying to heal. They're trying to see you getting well, maybe, or trying to balance out your life. And you, with your own happy nature, I guess, or just, this is how people see you, right? As shining and sunshine and happy, trying to bring in some kind of a transformation in your life. But some people also could be kind of doubting you, because they feel that you are trying maybe too hard to pretend to be somebody that, or pretending to be a way that you don't feel. Okay, so be mindful. People are not stupid. Now your close family, friends, they all can, they know you. So I think you're trying very hard to pretend to be a certain way that you don't feel. Okay, so let's see what Spirit's secret message is to you. The Six of Cups. Okay, so this is something, maybe having a lot of nostalgia for the past, good memories. This could be relating to children, I don't know. This could also be meaning somebody coming back from your past. Oh, I like the way this is twirling. Let's see where it stops. Okay. So, Six of Cups, Spirit, why is that your secret message? Somebody is returning, something is returning from your past. So whatever you felt was not right, was not just, did not bring justice to your life, Libra, you're getting a second chance here. This is like a rebirth. Something is going to be transformed, which is going to give you one more shot at changing your life. What's this judgment all about, Spirit? What's this rebirth, judgment card? Whatever you've been waiting for, Libra, is coming. Yes, you may not know when. You are kind of going back and forth in your mind. You could be a bit confused, but I do see you waiting for something which is going to bring you some very good news. Yes, this is the time, I think, where you will be releasing all toxicity from your life. If anything has turned toxic, any person has turned toxic, I see this as happiness from your past returning to you. Anything else, Spirit, for Libra for April? Anything else for Libra? Just when you feel, Libra, just when you feel nothing is going to move in your life, you're not going to get a fresh new beginning, just when you start feeling that, things are really going down, guess what shows up? The Fool. A fresh, brand new journey awaits you. This is like almost like, leaving the past in the past and having happiness and freshness in your life. Just when I think you give up all hope, this comes in for you. So trust. I think you need that. What the entire reading that I've got, I think trust the universe, believe in your spirituality, and don't give up. Don't give up. This is you getting a new chance for a fresh new beginning. Okay, so I need you to release this energy now, always feeling overburdened. It's time to take back your power, take back your control, be the emperor of your own life. And Spirit is saying, you have the strength to do it. You are healing, you will heal, and they will bring justice back to your life. But all they want you to do is be the magician of your own life. We've given you all the tools, Spirit is saying. All the tools are available to you, the wand and the sword and the pentacle and the cup. We've given you all the tools. What are you going to make of your life now? Are you going to become overwhelmed and tired, or are you going to fight it and bring back justice and start anew? Okay? So that's all I have for you, Libra. I hope it helped. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.